High in the Himalayas, nestled among towering peaks and verdant valleys, lies the town of SEHNSA. This picturesque town is a hidden gem, often overlooked by travelers who are unaware of its serene beauty. The journey to SEHNSA is an adventure in itself, winding through narrow mountain roads that offer breathtaking views at every turn. As you ascend higher into the mountains, the air becomes crisper and the landscape more enchanting. The town is surrounded by lush greenery, with the majestic Himalayan peaks providing a stunning backdrop. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing visitors to fully immerse themselves in the natural beauty that surrounds them. A hidden gem in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan, SEHNSA offers a glimpse into the untouched beauty of the region. The town is a sanctuary for those seeking peace and tranquility, far from the hustle and bustle of city life. The natural landscapes here are pristine, with rolling hills, dense forests, and crystal-clear streams that flow through the valleys. The flora and fauna in this region are diverse and abundant, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts and wildlife photographers. The untouched beauty of SEHNSA is a testament to the efforts of the local community in preserving their natural heritage. Far from the bustling crowds, SEHNSA is a sanctuary for nature lovers and adventurers seeking tranquility. The town offers numerous hiking trails that meander through the mountains, providing stunning views and a chance to connect with nature. Whether you're an experienced hiker or a casual walker, there's a trail for everyone. The serene environment is perfect for meditation and reflection, allowing visitors to escape the stresses of everyday life. The local guides are knowledgeable and passionate about their homeland, eager to share the hidden treasures of SEHNSA with visitors. Join me as we journey to this remote paradise, exploring its breathtaking landscapes and discovering its hidden treasures. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by the beauty and tranquility of SEHNSA. The town is a perfect blend of natural splendor and cultural richness, with friendly locals who are always ready to welcome visitors with open arms. As we explore the area, we'll uncover the unique traditions and customs that make SEHNSA a truly special place. The local cuisine is a delightful experience, with fresh ingredients sourced from the surrounding mountains and valleys. SEHNSA's remote location has helped preserve its pristine environment, making it a haven for diverse flora and fauna. The town is home to several nature reserves where rare and endangered species can be found. Birdwatchers will be thrilled by the variety of avian species that inhabit the area, while botanists will appreciate the rich diversity of plant life. The local community takes great pride in their natural surroundings and works tirelessly to protect and conserve the environment. This commitment to preservation ensures that future generations will be able to enjoy the unspoiled beauty of SEHNSA. The town's name, SEHNSA, is said to originate from the longing one feels for its beauty after experiencing it. This sentiment is shared by many who have visited, as the town leaves a lasting impression on all who are fortunate enough to experience its charm. The name itself is a reflection of the deep connection that people feel with this place, a connection that lingers long after they have left. The beauty of SEHNSA is not just in its landscapes, but also in the warmth and hospitality of its people. Indeed, SEHNSA leaves a lasting impression on those fortunate enough to visit. The memories created here are cherished for a lifetime, and many visitors find themselves returning time and again to relive the magic. The town offers a perfect escape from the chaos of modern life, providing a peaceful retreat where one can reconnect with nature and find inner peace. The stunning vistas, the fresh mountain air, and the sense of tranquility make SEHNSA a destination like no other. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the wonders that await in this Himalayan hideaway. From the majestic peaks to the lush valleys, from the vibrant local culture to the diverse wildlife, SEHNSA has something to offer everyone. Whether you're an adventurer, a nature lover, or simply someone looking for a peaceful retreat, SEHNSA is the perfect destination. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this hidden gem and experience the magic of SEHNSA for yourself. The landscape of SEHNSA is a sight to behold. Nestled in a remote corner of the world, SEHNSA offers a breathtaking escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Here, nature reigns supreme, and every element of the landscape tells a story of timeless beauty and tranquility. Rolling hills, blanketed in emerald green, stretch as far as the eye can see. These hills are not just a visual delight, but also a haven for a variety of flora and fauna. Wildflowers of every hue dot the landscape, creating a vibrant tapestry that changes with the seasons. The gentle slopes invite you to take leisurely walks where you can lose yourself in the serenity of the surroundings. Majestic mountains, their peaks often shrouded in mist, stand guard over the valley. These towering giants have witnessed the passage of time and hold secrets of ancient civilizations. The mist that envelops them adds an air of mystery and magic, making them seem almost otherworldly. Hiking these mountains offers not just a physical challenge, but also a spiritual journey as you ascend through layers of history and natural wonder. Crystal-clear streams and rivers wind their way through the landscape, their waters reflecting the azure sky above. These waterways are the lifeblood of SEHNSA, nourishing the land and its inhabitants. The gentle babble of the streams provides a soothing soundtrack to your explorations, and the sight of fish darting through the water adds to the sense of a thriving, vibrant ecosystem. Whether you're fishing, kayaking, or simply sitting by the banks, the rivers of SEHNSA offer endless moments of peace and reflection. Dense pine forests cover the slopes, filling the air with the sweet scent of pine needles. These forests are a sanctuary for wildlife, providing shelter and sustenance for countless species. As you wander through the forest, the sunlight filtering through the canopy creates a dappled effect on the forest floor, adding to the magical ambience. The rustle of leaves underfoot and the occasional sighting of a deer or a fox remind you of the delicate balance of life that thrives here. The air is fresh and crisp, a welcome change from the pollution of the cities. Breathing in the mountain air feels like a cleansing ritual, rejuvenating your body and soul. The clear skies offer unobstructed views of the heavens, making stargazing a mesmerizing experience. At night, the sky comes alive with a blanket of stars, and if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of the Milky Way. The silence is broken only by the sound of birdsong and the gentle rustling of leaves. This symphony of nature creates a tranquil atmosphere that soothes the mind and calms the spirit. Each bird's call adds a unique note to the melody, and the rustling leaves provide a gentle, rhythmic backdrop. In SEHNSA, time seems to slow down, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the natural beauty and find a sense of inner peace. SEHNSA is home to a rich variety of flora, a testament to the region's biodiversity. During the spring months, the hillsides come alive with a riot of colors. Wildflowers of every hue carpet the landscape, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The forests are home to towering pine trees, their branches reaching towards the sky. Oak and cedar trees also thrive in this region. The undergrowth is a tapestry of ferns, mosses, and wildflowers, creating a magical atmosphere. The forests and hills surrounding SEHNSA provide a haven for a variety of wildlife. The elusive snow leopard is said to roam the higher altitudes, while Himalayan brown bears inhabit the lower forests. Lucky visitors might catch a glimpse of these magnificent creatures. More commonly sighted are monkeys, deer, and a variety of bird species. The Himalayan monal, with its vibrant plumage, is a sight to behold. The air is filled with the calls of exotic birds, adding to the symphony of nature. Section 5. Adventures in Nature, exploring SEHNSA's trails. SEHNSA is a paradise for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Well-maintained trails wind their way through the forests and hills, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Waterfalls cascade down rocky cliffs, creating a soothing soundtrack for your hike. For the more adventurous, there are opportunities for rock climbing and trekking. Guided tours are available for those who want to explore the region's hidden gems. Whether you prefer a leisurely stroll or a challenging climb, SEHNSA has something to offer everyone. Section 6. The Promise and the Challenge. Tourism in SEHNSA. SEHNSA has immense potential for tourism. Its natural beauty, coupled with its peaceful atmosphere, makes it an ideal destination for those seeking respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. However, the town's remoteness and lack of infrastructure pose challenges for tourism development. The roads leading to SEHNSA are often in poor condition, making access difficult. Accommodation options are limited, and there is a need for more restaurants and tourist facilities. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for unlocking SEHNSA's full tourism potential. Section 7. Building bridges, preserving beauty, sustainable development. Developing tourism in SEHNSA requires a careful and sustainable approach. It is essential to balance the needs of tourists with the preservation of the town's natural beauty and cultural heritage. Local communities must be involved in the development process to ensure their livelihoods benefit from tourism. Investing in eco-friendly infrastructure such as solar power and waste management systems is crucial. Promoting responsible tourism practices such as minimizing waste and respecting local customs is equally important. Section 8. A call to adventure, experiencing SEHNSA's magic. SEHNSA is a destination that will captivate your senses and rejuvenate your soul. Its untouched beauty, combined with its peaceful ambience, offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, SEHNSA has something to offer. Come, explore the hidden trails, marvel at the vibrant flora, and listen to the calls of the wild. SEHNSA awaits, ready to share its magic with those who seek it. Section 9, SEHNSA awaits, a journey for the soul. SEHNSA is more than just a destination, it is a journey for the soul. Nestled in the heart of the Himalayas, this serene valley offers a sanctuary for those seeking peace and tranquility. The breathtaking landscapes with their rolling hills and lush greenery provide a perfect backdrop for introspection and self-discovery. It is a place to escape the everyday, to reconnect with nature and to rediscover yourself. Imagine sitting by a crystal-clear mountain stream, the sound of water flowing over rocks, soothing your mind, or standing atop a hill overlooking a serene lake that mirrors the sky. These moments of solitude and reflection are what make SEHNSA truly special. The beauty of SEHNSA will stay with you long after you leave, a reminder of the peace and tranquility that awaits in the heart of the Himalayas. The sunsets here paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, while the morning mist blankets the valleys, creating a mystical atmosphere that feels almost otherworldly. So, pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and embark on an unforgettable adventure to SEHNSA. Whether you're an avid hiker, a nature lover, or someone simply looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, SEHNSA has something to offer everyone. The trails here are well marked and cater to all levels of hikers, from beginners to seasoned trekkers. Discover the hidden beauty of this Himalayan gem and create memories that will last a lifetime. From hidden waterfalls that cascade down rocky cliffs to scenic overlooks that offer panoramic views of the valley, every corner of SEHNSA holds a new surprise. So take a deep breath. Let the fresh mountain air fill your lungs and set out on a journey that will rejuvenate your soul and leave you with stories to tell for years to come.